झाले टेंडर झाला तेव्हा डॉल्फिन सर फ्रॉम दिस सर्कल या रे मिल्टन मार्केट सर्कल टू आमचे सर्कल ते रेड कॉम्प्लेक्स पुरामध्ये आहे ते हां ते तुका तो हे आम्ही आता फास्ट करून घेऊया फास्ट ट्रॅक करूया बट मिक्सिंग आहे
Racing full this full stepping to the full ground.
आणि दॅट साईड ते पळय आम्ही न्यू पोल घातल्या आम्ही मिटिंग घेतलेली आहे टू इम्प्रूव्ह दिस स्ट्रेच ॲक्सिडेंट शुड नॉट टेक प्लेस
Stretch from Panchayat to
These dividers have to reach up to the panchayat.
Panchayat, okay.
Wherever in the middle there are roads, we have to leave and put speed breakers. How we have put opposite the panchayat.
Okay.
Divider up second, here एक speed breaker, here side is एक speed breaker. Because vehicles are going very fast.
Okay.
And they think that there is no divider in the middle. So there is a divider in front of the panchayat and for nearly 100 meters there is no divider.
No
So we have proposed a divider now up to there.
Okay.
So we'll add footpaths to this both the areas and do a immediate by next month we'll do soling and asphalting of the road. Right now we will only repair it.
Okay.
We'll repair the road.